At it again, once again, what it is, it's the biggest, the dopest, the freshest, the sickest, the illest entertainment show on your TV screens. It's TBD, it's the big down, baby. It's your boy El Fizzle out here. Mouth full of cotton, out here eating the cotton. You know what it is? It is the MTNSWAMA Music Awards right here at the Convention Center at the Royal Swazi Spa. It's going down. It's about to go down. Sit back, relax. We're about to get it. Interviews with the nominees and the winners, and of course some footage from what's happening on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to get lit. Let's go.
You just left a minute ago, but I need you back home. See, the way that I love you ain't supposed to be the way that people love each other. I like you when you're right beside me. Can't get enough of your body. You're my world, you're my girl, and you mean the world to me.
TBD, baby, the biggest night of Swazi music right here, the biggest awards. Yeah, I said it, and I ain't afraid to say it. And right now I'm with these two beautiful ladies right here who are nominees for tonight, looking absolutely amazing. The one and only Chloe and Loma Soul. How you guys doing?
We're good. We're right.
How you feeling about tonight?
Excited and
Everything.
yeah, mixed feelings, nervous,
excited.
and yeah, it's and there's expectation, but at the same time, it's like, hey, at the end of the day, you need to just be there and enjoy yourself and be happy for those. Eventually, the results, just be happy, and yeah.
What about you? It's been quite a journey, from nomination to rallying for votes. How's that been?
It's been crazy. It's been big. Being nominated is something huge for me. My first nomination ever. So I'm a little excited. So it's fine. Even if I don't take it home, it's okay.
Yeah, but the nomination still counts.
It's huge.
It means
it's
a lot.
something. Yeah.
First time for everything.
Yes.
Besides your categories, who are you guys looking forward to in terms of winning? Because I know you guys have favorites as well. Who are your favorites?
Not necessarily favorites, Elfo.
Yes.
You get us killed,
You shouldn't put like that.
Yeah, no. I mean, I can safely say there's artists that have really worked hard this year, and they deserve it. I mean, we've had our moments. So I'm thinking, you know what? Everybody has a season, and this year, I will honestly say that it's been a good year for Courtesy. It's been a good year for Mosaic. It's been a good year for Notando. She's worked very hard. It's been a good year for Sands. So those, yeah, my peeps, yeah. I'm vouching for them. I mean, they really deserve it. We all work hard, but some work harder. I guess. Yeah.
I thought you'd be afraid to say any names. Now she said her names. What are the names you're looking forward to?
Oh wow. Okay, I think Mosaic has done something huge. Also Sub Gems as well. And also DJs as well. I'm not gonna say any names. There's no favorites.
No, it's not.
They're all good.
Yeah, we're not on favorites. It's just people that when you're involved in the industry, you've been watching, you've been following. You know what I mean? These are your peers. So you have to notice when someone works hard. Hey, pat on the shoulder, good work. So this is the time to say, this is your hard work. Take it, Yeah, you earned it. So why not? Yabon. Everybody has a season. So next year it'll be Yabon. We go home. If we go home losers, we're not losers. Let me say.
Yes.
If you don't take it home, we're not losers. It's just like go
Everyone's
put more
a winner.
effort. Everybody's a winner. Yeah, everybody's a winner.
Yeah, the fact that you're nominated, you're a winner.
Yeah.
It's big. Ladies, congratulations on nominations. And like I said, you guys looking amazing. Go out there and have a good time.
Boy, give me, baby. I've been thinking about you all day, all day.
Ngiyakhumbula baby. I've been thinking about you every day.
Oh, Muyagi, me baby. I've been thinking about you all day, all day.
Yeah, Kumbula, baby. I've been thinking about you every day.
No, I just can't be without you.
Yeah, Kumbula, Charlie. Without you.
I just can't be without you. Come back without you.
And it feels like a fairy tale.
TBT baby out here with nominee, another one. What's your DJ Kevin?
DJ Kevin.
So artist of the year nominee, Velem Seni,
Yes.
the legendary.
Oh, it's actually so best soul artist.
Best soul artist.
Yes,
Oh,
but I
same
mean,
thing.
you know, if you
why
want
would
to
you stop
start
me at 6
some,
and 9, girl?
if you-
You know what I'm saying? How you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I am very well. How you feeling about tonight? It's a
I'm
big
so
night.
excited.
Yeah?
I'm so excited. Everybody's looking good.
Look
you
at
know.
you.
I mean, I had to
came to slay.
do something. I came to slay. I came to slay.
I was making sure it's still in. You know, I
Yeah.
always miss these trends.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so
no.
let's check. Slay.
Are the kids still saying no? Slay. We're still slaying. We're still slaying.
What do you think of the whole awards? I mean, I say it's the biggest award ceremony. Some people say that it's a big night for the night. But what do you think, as an artist
Yeah.
who's both nominated and
Right.
you know, and in the industry? What do you think of it?
I mean, with previous experiences of national awards, so to speak, I think we've we've experienced some disappointments. So I'm really looking forward to what the show is going to be like. I know the lead up to it has been absolutely. It's been blowing my expectations all the way up. So I'm excited and I have faith in it, and I'm looking forward to what the team has to offer.
Any favorites that you're crossing fingers for?
Definitely this girl called Velem Seni.
Look at you.
Amen. No, I think Sans must take the ones he deserves, definitely, which is probably like all of them. He's had such an amazing year, so I'm really excited about him. Boloja, one of our icons, long-standing icons. He deserves the nominations that he's gotten. Lungelo, Flori, Mosaic, Tenderness. I mean,
Yeah.
it's tough when you're friends with all these people.
Yeah, it's a pretty small but big
It is,
industry, so I
exactly.
understand what you're saying.
Right.
All the best. Enjoy your night.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
too,
so
love.
much.
No need for me to hold back. I just need to let you know how I feel. You give me butterflies, yeah, you give me butterflies. Every time you stare at me with those eyes. I like it when you're right beside me. Can't get enough of your body. You're my world, you're my man, and you mean the world to me.
I just can't be without you.
Without you,
TBD, baby. Still out here. Still getting it before the show starts. And right now I'm sitting with a man. If nominations were like bags, he would need someone to help him carry them because he's nominated 7 times. It's the one and only. I'm right? 7. 6.
Yeah.
It's Sandy Somatebula, aka Sans. How's
Yeah,
it going,
man.
man?
Nervous? It's all good, but yeah, a bit nervous.
I understand you're coming straight from a performance at Carnival City,
Yeah, just got here right now, and yeah.
so you haven't had any time to rest. Straight into it.
No, not at all. Straight into it. It's now a general,
It's the way of
day-to-day
life.
thing. We gotta work.
It's been quite a year for you, man. How's it been for you living it? We are spectators watching you doing all of this. Hearing you having a handful of nominations isn't a surprise for us. But you're the one living through all of this, seeing your brand grow so much. How is it going for you?
I'd say these are the opportunities when you just thank God. It is neither of our choices. Such things are just done, orchestrated by Mother Nature. But the work does as well have an input. But I'll just say, man, it's been nothing but humbling. Being received everywhere, the way that the brand has been received. yeah, I'm ever surprised myself. You know.
With all these nominations, do you have a favorite? Like, if I want to win this one, cool. Which one's the best one for you?
Each and every one of them is the best.
So you've got your winning speech, your thank you speech.
No, I'll take it from the heart. It should be genuine. If I plan it, then what if I don't win?
Do you have any favorites outside of your nominations? I mean, these beautiful artists, talented artists. Do you have any favorites who are nominated today?
Yeah, I'd say the best is my favorite. Yeah, the best one will win, and that's my favorite.
Be safe. Gotta be safe.
Better.
All right, thanks, my man. All the best for tonight.
Thanks a lot.
Let's hope you have a problem at the end of the night carrying the awards.
I hope so too.
And
Yeah,
one
man.
more thing. If I have a big suitcase at home. It's about 1.8 meters long. I can fit in it. In case that Zanzibar trip.
Are you 1.5 meters long?
No, I'm 1.8. We can make a plan. Don't worry, I can do something. But all I'm saying
That
is
would be human trafficking.
It's fine. We won't have to tell anyone.
Wosovela uplanela kuhamba.
Kahle kahle.
Sasibone la ukuthi sibethe kalani. Siyabonga kakhulu
Thank you,
man.
my man.
Thanks a lot.
Sangunani. I'd like to appreciate everyone who's voted. I'd like to appreciate the support from the start. It didn't start yesterday, but throughout the years where we've been in the music industry. And since it's Women's Month, I would like to dedicate this one to the lady who gave birth to this fine gentleman. I took it from her, and thank you so much.
The male artist of the year is Sands.
Greetings once again. Thank you so much to the Swazi Nation. It really means a lot to me. Thank you to my manager, Pila Ramini. Thank you to my producer, Sabelo Stungo. Thank you to the team. Thank you to my friends. Thank you to my family. Thank you so much. Blessed.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, due to time, we have to continue with the program.
Boy, bosangitshela ngale timing ye list. Kodwa ube number bani?
Listing number 8 mfana.
Yes, silemuva kangaka wena
No, kona influential but nami mangibuka le list akusile standard libe ngisigatsile. Ngoba ngathi bese kugcwaliswa ngami.
20 less names. Man. Ngitsinele WhatsApp la ke boy.
Yo.
Wala.
Talk to me.
I know mfana, it's confirmed. It's back.
What? It's back?
Eitada.
Oh yeah, that's what's up.
What's back?
Man, she's sister Naga.
So only influence.
Man, she's. Sure.
Is it true?
It's back. Eitada.
Mina boy ukuthi khambani. What's back?
Boy, nangabe awusiko influential bengichazela wena ngithi influence.
Nokucela bakule list phela boy.
INFLU wins influence.
I got me.
Oh yeah, I have to say it like that. But I mean, let him, the originator of the statement and the way you say it, the boy, courtesy of hip hop.
Oh yeah.
Oh come on, I need it bigger than that, man. Come on.
Hey, you know how it is. When the nerves kick in, you know, I'm actually surprised that I actually even have a voice right now. I should be like, hello. That's where I should be right now.
So yeah, nerves. What else are you feeling about tonight?
I'm feeling fulfilled, bruh, because, you know, having been a part of the growth and development of the Swazi entertainment industry for as long as I have, this was one of the sort of like the end goals, one of the pictures that I was seeing, that one day we will get to a point where we have our own night, and this is what's happening right now. So this what I'm saying, it's a victory. It's not necessarily a finish line, but it's a victory. It's one of the checks, you know, one of the boxes that we had to check as part of the growth and development of the Swaziland entertainment industry.
Yeah, man. So how are you feeling about your nomination?
Now the nomination is like I was just like thankful and overwhelmed when I heard that I was nominated from the start, because you know that means people out there are recognizing that, you know, we're out here, we're hustling, we're doing our thing, and then in as far as, you know, as the voting was going on, there was just so much encouragement around that whole space. So I'm happy, you know. I'm happy. I'm hopeful, you know. Either way, I feel like it's a victory for all of us, you know. But at the end of the day, one person got to go home with the plaque. So may the best man win. Hopefully the best man is me.
It's you. All right, man. Thanks for your time, dog. I know you're jumping on stage in a few.
Yeah, I'm jumping on stage in a few. You know, we're like the opening act. So yeah, it's about to go down.
Do your thing.
Won't you come over for a movie? She knows what I want. I wanna make a movie with you, baby. I wanna make a movie with you, my baby. I wanna make a movie with you. Did you guys come out and have a good time? Did you come out and have a good time? Okay. Let me go to my partner crowd. Come on, give it to me. Come on, give it to me. Are you having a good time? You've been waiting all day. wanna see you bounce. Mommy, I just wanna see you bounce. Woo! Mommy, I just wanna see you bounce. Sing it, see you bounce. See you bounce. Mommy, I just wanna see you bounce. Hey! Mommy, I just wanna see you bounce. Hey! Mommy, I just wanna see you bounce. See you bounce. See you bounce. Hey!
Hey, top! Hey, top! Hey, top! Hey, top! Hey, top! Mark the trigger, son! Straight up, I'm tired, I'm stupid. You never wanna play on the tricks. Nobody else wanna leave me alone. It's not a every dance on the streets. I fuck cruise, nigga, yes, I want the weapons. Ever since I was a new kid, I'm always trying to make it dance too to the beats. Jumping big steps and no bias. Like the passing to fire. Girl, I never lose the hope. Friends of the friends, my mama was there. What the dream comes, I was there. Pray to the Lord, get chuck in your head. Look now I'm working in solo. Facing their fool, I'm at the baby solo. Banana Gigona. I'll save a piece by young. Banana Gigona. Never peace by you. Napota musari kumura. Napota musari kipisa. Dojika uchina shinapo. Me don't wanna hit the money. We don't wanna hit the cars. Jump up on it to Manzini. Pull it the way to the stairs. Working the day, break your turn at your girl. Me, I wanna get you featured in TV, you wanna understand. So, let me just hang on the table. Let me just step on the bed. So, let me just press in the bed. I mean, who gonna make us? You gotta stay when I beat. The company shine on my feet. 50-50 dance, slow on the street. So, when I dance on the beat. I'm gonna we go now. Never please by you. Upon energy gold. Never please by you. Napota musari kuunda. Napota musari kipisa. Dojika muchina shinabo. Dojika muchina shinabo.
Oh, okay. Hey, oh, we giving praises to the Most High. Amen. Okay, let's get it. Nivele shabelele ameni. Nambala hameni. Divu siso del mangalizo ekameni. Leyisenele votana nasemoyeni. Lenkwele askuleke nisonke spogini. Bebati sonbole zayoni. Nisonbole makwale. Wage waibona people tisonti peti kuku. Isha you turn around it. Ikupenge makolo. Wage waibona people tisonti peti kuku. Mangake mason. La pushan family efsugu. Wage masoni pisiso wama pedu. La baba jeni seku tigo le tu. Na Moses benga peti kuku. Maga suga isuku la negele. Nema sayo na kanda cheke. You keep on raising the bar. You must have candy my yo. Upon my neck. That's the time does it. Start a football. Digo my teacher. Rico dawa pasi. Sit up on a misasha. Hey, honge makolo sigu. Yeah, iteme sigu. Lo musa lo. Sit up on a misasha. Yeah. Matolo Sigu. Yeah, Titera Sigu. Lo Musalo. One more time. Sita Paramisa. Yeah, Matolo Sigu. Yeah, Titera Sigu. Lo Musalo. Amen.
TBT, baby, we're still out here, and right about now, I'm with a friend of mine, a friend of the industries. It's the one and only DJ 711. Kumbajan, Mr. Costa.
No, I'm okay, Mr. Masilela.
How you feeling about tonight, bro?
Very colorful and very excited. Looking forward to first of its kind in this magnitude in Swaziland. Yeah, it's been a long time coming, so we're looking for a very memorable night. Artists have worked themselves. We've heard new, fresh sounds from the kingdom. We've had big sounds, hits and everything. So yeah, I'm looking for a very good night.
Yeah, man. Do you have any favorites?
Everyone is my favorite. Every Swazi artist is my favorite. No, everyone. I think everyone who's nominated has brought his A game to get to where he is today. And yeah, like I've said earlier on, artists have worked themselves out. Especially the previous year, we've had new sounds and yeah, hits and all that throughout the year.
Then all the best with tonight, bro.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Sure.
It's a tight lineup, ladies and gentlemen, and the winner for the best hip-hop artist of the year is none other than 80 Scripts!
Hey, what up, that mafioso? First and foremost, I just want to say thank you. I'll start from the top and I'll go all the way down. I just want to say thank you to every single person that's been voting throughout this whole nomination/campaign process. I want to say thank you to my manager. I want to say thank you to my team. I want to say thank you to the producers that I work with. I want to say thank you to my photographer. I want to say thank you to my stylist and all the artists that I work with. For me to get in this position and be here receiving this award, I'm here to receive this award on behalf of all those people that I just listed. And I know for a fact that there's some people that I'm not mentioning right now, but it's probably because I'm nervous. But to those people as well, I just want to say thank you. And Swaziland, thank you for treating me like this. This is amazing and I appreciate it. God bless, and I hope you enjoy your evening also.
I'm Stay 4 years like you, Peter. Kishwemu, where the Peter, the Peter, Farouk, the Peter. We play them like Peter. But for me, you made a way, try to scream. Now, pastures is where you lay me. Open doors, fully up. Oh my Lord, I can't believe what my eyes fully up. Serious mosquito. Lord, you raised
TBD, baby. Right about now, I'm sitting with Noma Lungelo. What up, girl?
How you?
I'm too good. It's a big night.
It is.
Yeah, you're looking amazing,
so
by the way. Look at you.
Did you see yourself?
I
you
didn't.
cleaned up so well.
Look
at you.
What?
Fresh
Hey,
to
look.
death.
No, don't do this.
Fresh to death.
Tell us about your outfit. How'd you pick it?
This wonderful creation was actually done by a lady called Carol Crow. Her name is Carol, and she started designing it at 1 o'clock today.
Wow.
Yes, please.
Wow.
Yes, I know.
Shout out to Carol.
Carol, you are a winner.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how are you feeling about the awards overall? I mean, I know tonight's excitement and everything. With the journey of nomination and rallying for votes, how's it been for you? Where you at? What headspace are you at? Loading.
No comment. It's a smart one.
Okay.
I should have thought that. I didn't even think that one through.
Now it leaves me with a lot of question marks. But
no comment. It's a good initiative. Awards are very important for any industry. This is where we set the benchmark. This is where we rate ourselves. We look at how far the artists have gone, how far they still have to go. So it's very important that the music industry comes together to say we are hustling and this is what we're doing. So for me, kudos to MTN for supporting local musicians. Kudos to SWAMA for actually standing behind musicians to say we're doing this for you guys this year. And kudos to all the artists who are working so hard to actually design an industry, because that's what we're doing.
Besides your awards, which awards are you most excited about?
Best producer.
Okay.
Mosaic the producer.
I ain't gonna ask you who the favorite is there. Thank you so much for taking your time out.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the rest of your night and all the best.
Who are you looking for to sing?
You know who I'm looking forward to.
Me.
You know.
I know.
You know.
Me, right?
You know.
Me, right?
You know.
Me, right?
She knows.
Me, right?
And the winner is Siamporo.
Thank you so much to the SWAMA Awards. Thank you so much for believing in Swazi artists. Thank you to my family, my muse, my best friend. Thank you. Thank you to everyone here. You guys are amazing. I was not expecting this. Muzi, we did good.
Ho, 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 ho! At it again, once again. You know what it is? It's the biggest, the dopest, the biggest, the dopest. This is the biggest, the dopest, the biggest, the dopest, biggest, the dopest, the freshest, the sickest, the illest. It's your boy El Fizzle. It's your boy El Fizzle. It's your boy El Fizzle. And we at it again. once again, time and time again. It's the top 10 hottest music videos from all over the world. Wherever the turn up is, we take it, box it, and we bring it back right here in the country, the beautiful land of Swaziland. My name is Swaziland. I'll be with you for the next hour, making sure that it is an absolute turn up. So sit back. It's gonna be a great one. Let's go. Let me get down to her. Mandy.
I'm gonna get you for that one.
Performances galore, local, international, and right now I've got the perfect blend of both from South Africa and Swaziland. Boy Mosaic and the boy Kyle. How you guys doing?
Oh man, what's up? Excellent, awesome.
Lyrical boss up in the building. He's back and he's got some good news for us. A brand new video. So sit back, relax. Your boy Alphys has got you. It's the biggest. It's the dopest. It's the boy. Let's get it.
But I would like to thank Bangabongos, Navakonana, DPM, my ministers, Boshifu, Labakona, MTN CEO, Nanonga Bebnene, Siabonga, Ganabonga Naba. Ganabonga Sam. Yakata. Ganabonga Sam, you've done well, my brother. Umntwana wasekudwini Thokozani ndakshayela kancane nje Sam la MD and my brother umntwana enkosi babedlamini Lutho. How are you, Lutho? And there is a man there wearing that. Can you stand up? Who is Lutho? Lutho Malume. All right, before spitting the award ngicela nje kushayela MTN ngashayela MTN, uyangihlanyisa. MTN, uyangihlanyisa. Hayibo, MTN, wala nawe. Yawe, bese ngishaya khona.
Okay, guys, okay. I think it's time.
Angithi ikwaito baba. Ikwaito mfethu.
Our time is up. Yeah.
All right. Tata.
And the best flight artist of the year goes to...
Man.
Chief.
Man. Ngicela ningaplay mina ngabe mina bitwa awukabitwa wena artist awawini bese uthi Mthimba wawa unjanjanana. Haters, hate the game, not the players. All right. Let's go. Guys. The winner is Makaya. Watch out. Kwato artist. Our MTN yakwana wewe. Cheza. Waza Makaya. Cheza. Anish. Asa sinbone niphakamisa izandla. La yakho Makaya. Uyafika Makaya roundini. Uyafika Makaya roundini wafika abashapa istorm siyabonga Makaya. Okay, thatha umfishane muthe Makaya. Oh, umnika le timing. Sekukhohliwe Makaya. Nganda bro, besoda. Wala baba. Number 7. Zoxnaleri, sharp bafana bakithi ngiyanibonga. Ngiyanisaluta. Wala Zox. Khuluma mna. Bye.
Themba ukuthi right. Ngingaqali nje kubonga iponsa nabo bonke labakhwele ebusuku lo ukuthi libe possible. Cela ngimtshele noma ngabe ngibani each and everyone lana ukuthi no matter what you are, no matter what you do, if you believe into yourself, you can always make it. mangan kontela story sami ukuthi ngisuka in life. I think bakhona abantu labangadiko ukuthi ngisuka in life. But I did hold on. Ngatitshela ukuthi I believe it to myself. Angeke ngiphelele lapha eBasel la bengisebenza khona. Mankala, a lot of people, they didn't believe in me. But how can this taxi driver try to be an artist? Yet to contact. Something I deserve. Enough about the history. MTNSWAMA, like I was there, I introduced her in Zaba, like, I don't want to lie, I'm one of those people who took it as a joke. I didn't know one day, it will be true. So, ngiyabonga arts and music, like to recognize the art yakangwane, nisathe nisibeke ezingeni lelisetulu nathi sibonakale emhlabeni. Bese ke sengiyabonga nako onke fans and supporters, nabo producer, nema artists lamayele collaborate nawo, angeke ngize ngikhone kunibala one by one. So actually everyone who is behind Magaya Music, you guys are the reason why I'm holding this award tonight. Thank you.
Now this young man right here, every time I see him on stage, there's no way you can stand. Even if you've never heard his music before, you just find yourself dancing. It's one of the most energetic performances I've seen all year. It's the one and only, the Kwaito Artist of the Year, Makaya.
Yeah. Good right, Chiputi, kunjani?
The speech sakho sibe inspirational kimi. Uyabachela ukuthi labanye bakubuka bathi lo muntu lo shayela itaxi bangafika kuphi nale music. Udayelani ngathi. Nami mhlawumbe abahambi batshela ukuthi buka ukuthi ngifike nale music.
Yeah, njengalokusho ukuthi speech sibe emotional. I think I didn't even write the speech. It's something that is in me. So bengikhuluma nje into lengiyo yona, just to encourage nabanye labasakhula ukuthi akudingeki ukuthi mhlambe uze ube nelutho etafuleni to bring something on top of that. But if you believe you can make it.
What does this award mean to you?
Hey, this award mean a lot to me, my guy, because mangakutshela ukuthi ngaqala ukurecorda my first song in 2005 naziyawa under Destiny Music, bebase studio sabo besesesifashini. I recorded my song nga 70 rand. Lebe ngimphole kabuhlungu nayo lo 70 rand but ke ngalo ukuthi bengifuna leyo platform yokuthi ngitshele abantu ukuthi ngiphuma kuphi and what kind of a lifestyle am I living, and I didn't know ukuthi it will take me this far.
So congratulations, bro. This is for Kwaito.
Yeah, this is for Kwaito, but this award is not for me. Like, ngiva ngathi the award lena yala bantu lebangisupportile neyalabantu laba believile kimi nebantu lebangente ngaba ngilo move lengiwe yena namuhla.
Yeah, man. Congratulations, Brawami. It's a genre that some people thought were dying, but you guys are keeping it alive.
Yeah, kulkhuni la Kwaito. I'm not gonna lie. Akufanani nalama genre lakhona like where it's easy to be popular or to just make it. So you have to work hard when you are a Kwaito artist to be recognized. You really have to push hard. Yeah.
I know. Congratulations, my man. Let's hope this is the first of many.
Yeah, but indlela masevulekile leya kagogo kuyaye kubelula ukuthi bantu labanenge bese sebayayati. So like more music is still coming your way. Like nema awards akusho ukuthi ema awards makabekiwe sekakhona sesithatha hayi ngoba sawina last year asirelax singasendi lutho sitawina nakulomnyaka lotako ngoba asathi ukuthi likusasa lisiphetheleni mhlambe kutawuba khona lotawuqhamuka aphushe afake emandla ngoba kuwina iaward akusho ukuthi mhlambe uthandwe ngilabamfu lebakhethako noma uthandwe yini sive siyakusupporta but ngeke sikusupporte dikwendvo nawe longakayigrumi yabonakala ukuthi it's something.
And the best R&B artist goes to the TS King.
Sanbonani. I'm not gonna lie to you, this wasn't expected. I just want to say thank you to every single person that has supported us as a brand. MTN for being such an amazing sponsor tonight. This is the first time we have seen something like this in Swaziland. I want to thank every producer that has invested in us. I want to thank every artist that I've ever worked with. And most importantly, family. I really want to thank everyone who has supported us. Swazi artists, let's continue to shine, let's continue to show the world exactly what we can do. SWAMA, we really cannot stress the inspiration we have seen in your leadership, Babe Dlamini. Please continue to hold on to the dream that we have and execute Siyabonga.
And the winner is DJ Master P.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Saying I'm thrilled to be standing before you would be an understatement. It's phenomenal. I'd like to thank the organizers of this event and the sponsors, Swazi MTN and SWAMA. It's a great opportunity for us Swazi artists to be recognized and be encouraged. I'd also like to thank my supporters, my family and friends. A special shout out to Mosaic, the producer. Yeah, for all the good work we've been doing together, I appreciate it. My management team, ngiyabonga for believing in me. Thank you, everyone.
MTNSWAMA.
Well, I'd like to begin by saying that it is a great honor for me to stand up in front of everyone here today. And as it is His Majesty the King's dream to see the whole nation rise many ways through the music industry. And just because we know that music has to come with a great discipline towards society and has to infatuate us to rise pretty much greatly by sharing the right social ways to social development and all that. So we'd like to once again to say congratulations to the Swazi artists tonight. You have done an incredibly wonderful job today to make it towards this award shows. And today I am here with Lutho Dlamini to present to you the best female artist of the year, and the award will go to the solo female recording artist whose entry is an album that, in the opinion of the public, is by its excellence regardless of its genre, better than any other album by a solo female artist entered into the first annual MTNSWAMA Awards on behalf of the royal family, His Majesty the King of Swaziland, the Swazi government, MTNSWAMA Awards founders and sponsors. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you the best female artists. The nominees are, today, the nominees today to win it, let me just say, is everyone ready for this? Trying to help me, calculation.
Malangin namasha asesithuleni ngathi sifile. Asesithuleni ngathi sifile. Ngubani nongiyena yena? Asiva? Asesithuleni wegcina kungathi sifile.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes. So the award goes to Nothando Mhlophe.
This award is well deserving. Thank you very much.
I hope you enjoy the songs. Get those yeah. Get show it. Show it. Gula mula with success. You party in the fire. Gula mula with success. You party in the fire. Stop your mind. Get out to get stop your heart to get out to get your lamula was success. You party in the fire. Your lamula was success. You party in the fire. Stop your heart to get out to get out to get stop your heart to get out to get shut off on that name number off on that move from my mind promises to walk go get up to the God promises to walk go get up to the Lord who did because it's so who did because I show it who I just your mat. All together, all together. Stop your art. All together, all together. Wash away, wash away. Wash stop your mind. All together, all together. Stop your mind. All together, all together. Wash away. Thank you. This is so good, yeah. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the evening. Thank you so much.